The multi-device connectivity icon is located in the lower right corner of the Draminski airScan app. Clicking on it will take you to a quick guide. When you stream an image for the first time, take the mobile device from which you want to stream the image and download the Draminski screenLink app from the Google Play Store. Mobile data transmission is required. Then launch the Draminski airScan app on it. Turn on the airScan Pro ultrasound scanner and connect to it. When you stream an image for the first time, hotspot configuration is necessary. In the advanced settings of the application, click the Open Hotspot button and configure it. Set the network name to Draminski and the password to 12345678. Then enable the hotspot. Return to the Draminski airScan app. In the advanced settings of the application, click the Open screenLink button to launch the screen sharing application. Once in the Draminski screenLink app, start streaming, then return to the Draminski airScan app. Take the second device on which you want to view the stream image. If you want to connect your phone or tablet, you will need to launch the Draminski airScan app to display the image. Use the icon in the lower right corner of the screen. Select the Draminski network. Enter the password 12345678. Don't worry if a message appears on the screen that you are connected to a network without internet access. Please confirm this message if it appears on the screen. Wait for the streamed image to appear on your device. If the streamed image stops displaying on your device, make sure you have not lost your Wi-Fi connection to the Draminski network. If this does not help, stop and restart the image transmission in the Draminski screenLink app on the device that is streaming the image. If you want to connect your iLens goggles, contact us to receive the correct update that will enable streaming. The iLens goggles will connect automatically when turned on. If you are having trouble connecting your goggles, turning off the displays by shortly pressing the power button to put it into standby mode and then pressing it again will refresh the list of nearby devices searched for.